Hello, friends.
And fine.
I'm
Good
fine.
evening. How are you? In the evening, we will discuss about governance in the country of Indonesia in a group or English course segment. For the tools or media we use is the Google Zoom meeting, and this discussion is attended or consists of four people. Consists of me, Nanang.
My name is Ado.
And I am Valerie.
Let's start the discussion. First of all, with the discussion future governance, what image springs to mind when you heard the word government?
In my opinion, government is the system or group of people governing and organization community general states.
That's true. Government is the body of persons that constitution. The governing authority of a political unit or organization.
I take your word on it, and I want to add to that. Governance is all activities, functions, obligations, and obligations carried out by the executive to achieve the goals of the state.
When talk about governance, what success has your government met? Ado?
Personality, I think the success of our government are national health insecure like BPJS and KIS to and reducing corruption and regulation to avoid COVID-19.
And Nanang, what do you think about it?
Excuse me for a second because I want to make note. And in my view, in the case of a reduction is in the poverty rate, price control commodities as rice, sugar, and other steps. Education levels are improving. This can be seen from the change in the improved quality education regulation to 12 from the previous 9 years. Increase access to education, educate the nation lives so as the encourage the quality of human resources and maybe many more.
Hmm. Talking about the success of your government, are you happy with the government of your country?
No, I'm not sure. But the because government in my country still much corruption and criminal case.
Totally agree with Pri because in Indonesia there people and they make discussion without thinking the effect for their citizen.
You both sides that. However, the government in this country has played its best. Good citizens need to appreciate it. Okay, fine. If you guys are not satisfied with the current government, would you like to work for the government? Because I'm happy with the current government, I feel like giving my best, my leveraging my knowledge to build a government that innovative, yes, and running. Government as best as possible according to the wishes of the people.
Absolutely, maybe I work for the government because that is my passion and my future.
Mm, I think so. To maybe a future, I would like to work for the government, participate improve the country. What you prefer to work in the local or national government, Valerie and Nanang?
I think I prefer work in local government. So I hope I will work in local government, and maybe in local government the burden of work is not too heavy like the national government, and our local government can focus more on what we do because we are in our own area.
I see actually what you mean, and I also want to work in local government. I also prefer work in local government so that I could improve the government system for below. The next question. In the average government in the world, there are cases of corruption. Do you think there is a world government that is not corrupt?
That's not always true. There are some honest government, but because there are several parties who do corruption, the citizen thinks all governments are corrupt.
Uh, in my opinion, there is no word. Government is not corruption because is in government not always care from corruption. A government that is not corruption is an impossible thing considering so many people who work in it. But if there is in that a government that is not corrupt, it is an advice in government. This will have a big impact on the country.
I see your point and I totally agree. Because cases of corruption have become a tradition in world government.
My, hey, why is there so many corruption in many government?
Some people say that people work in government have a consumptive character, so make corruption is very tyrant in governments. There's so much corruption in many government causes by the nepotism movement. Nepotism is favorite. Is granted to relatives in various fields, including business, politics, entertainment, sports, religion, and other activities.
From my point of view, why is there so much corruption in many governments? Because in government, there are so many people who are selfish and more concerned with power and position. They also have big fight because they know that in government there must be a larger flow of money. Besides that, the fulfill the need of a luxurious life is also a free that pushing it to happen. That's what makes them corrupt.
Ronald Reagan said, "Government is not the solution to our problem. Government is the problem." Do you agree with him?
I find it's very difficult to accept it. In the past, before there was a government, maybe humans would have hope and there was interested in economic rights because the state was the one who controlled it.
We doesn't seem to agree here because the recruitment of the establishment of the country are the running of the government.
Mm. Last question. What would you like to change about your government?
From my opinion, a few words like you like to change omnibus law because there are so many people who doesn't agree about that law.
And then my impression is that I will change the prime minister and I will choose KPK, the highest organization in my country.
And myself, it seems to me that what has to change in government is their way of making policy. In this case, the scope is transparent and involve the community in it. At least the public know what the government is doing in this matter, or at least the government look at people's opinion when making any policy. This is a very enjoyable discussion with a very interesting government of discussion at the time. And it looks like our time up in this discussion. I hope all of you can do something great for the current and future government. I hope this discussion can be useful for you. I would like to thank you for the ending this discussion and good night.
Good night
Good night
and see you.
and see you. Thank you.